the super duper feature update.
It's super duper duper ooper.
Where's my package? Hey partners, you're gonna love this one. Have you ever added a package and put it in the wrong collection? Yeah, me too. More often than I'd like to admit. But guess what? Now you can choose the collection rather than it going right into the first one. Talk about a quality of life update. Let's hop on over to Subert Steve to show us a little more.
What is up, y'all? Subert Steve here, coming in with a much needed update to Subert packages. So all packages install into a collection. This is because the content needs a place to go, but even for process rule packages or HubSpot resource packages, it still, quote, installs into a collection. And this led to a lot of confusion because it would always install to the first collection, which meant the alphabetically first collection. And this was just really confusing because you would install a package into a collection, and then you'd add a new collection and you'd install the package, and now you'd have two copies of it, or you wouldn't understand what happened to the package. Very confusing situation. Going forward, we've completely fixed that, eliminated it from being a problem, and that's live now. And basically now you can choose the collection that you want to install a package into. So you can see here I have 3 different collections. Let's go ahead and install it into this Subert collection. Now I can see that it's installed here. If for some reason I wanted to have this into 2 collections, maybe I was doing some type of testing or I was going to go in and modify it after the fact, I go ahead and install it twice. And we'll put in some helpful messages to tell you, hey, it's installed in 2 different collections. If I uninstall it, we'll tell you, hey, this is actually installed in another collection. Maybe maybe that's an error and you actually don't want to install it twice. Let's go ahead and uninstall this too. So as part of this, we've improved the general install and uninstall experience as well. So if you install a package into multiple collections, we'll properly handle the process rules, any updates, HubSpot resource definitions, so that when you uninstall the package, things work as you expect. So like I said, this is all live now, solves a ton of problems. So hopefully you won't have this confusion again in the future. Stay awesome, stay super.